I've been asked by many to do a visualization of the impact of COVID-19. People not dying in a normal year, this square represents them. Average deaths are around 1% of the population in a normal year, heavily towards aged, of course. And here we represent that. This year is COVID-19 year, 2020, with lockdowns and whatnot. Average COVID deaths are around 0.1%, or 1 in 1,000 in the population, with an average age close to 80. So we'll add in these deaths here. So that's the visualization of the extra deaths. Then we have countries who had no lockdowns, like Sweden. But most importantly, we have 30 published papers now which indicate lockdown is highly ineffective in reducing mortality. So we'll say 30% improvement with lockdowns, to be generous. That's 0.03% extra deaths in the population by not having lockdown, theoretically, or 3 per 10,000 people. And again, keep in mind the average age is close to 80. So looking up here, there. That's the change in deaths for the year, theoretically increased by not having lockdowns. So we go back and we capture lockdown benefit, if it is indeed true. Deaths deferred, 3 per 10,000 people, average age 80. And that's the difference between this orange square and this one. Just looking at a higher scale, to be fair, normal year, 1% deaths out of the population, including COVID-19 with lockdowns, which came from China, 1.1%, that's the difference with COVID, and included COVID-19 but no lockdowns, 1.13%. So the difference of lockdowns, probably best case, is the difference between these two squares. In terms of the price of lockdowns, I've addressed that elsewhere, but it is, of course, astronomical, and the impact on society long term will vastly outweigh any putative savings in mortality of the generally aged.